Refresher course is available to somebody who has already had experience, already knows how to do this, how to drive a truck. We have short-term courses, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6-week courses. The shortest courses are really meant for somebody that's already knows how to do this, but just never made it legal kind of thing.
We will bring them in. We will put them on what's called a road evaluation, and that will check their skill set so we can see where they're at. We will have them first and foremost try to do the in-cab air brakes verbal exam, the walk-around inspection of the tractor trailer. Then we'll check how well they can back the truck and the 6 different backing maneuvers that we have them perform. And then we have them on the drive, teach them, see how well they can shift gears. Double clutch is a potential requirement of someone testing out at the Department of Motor Vehicles as well. So we have an instructor that will be in the truck with them that does an evaluation. Once the evaluation is over, they meet with our director and they do a plan of action. The evaluator will come back in, the 3 of us will have a conversation, and he'll say, based on the evaluation, I feel we can get you ready to test in 1 week, 2 weeks, or we feel you need the full 3 weeks.